Hi, I'm Lindy from Australia's Best Recipes. Today we're making a simple version of tiramisu. Beat 600 ml of thickened cream with 250 grams of mascarpone, half a cup of caster sugar, a quarter cup of Irish cream, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence until strong peaks form. Mix 2 tablespoons of coffee with 500 ml of boiling water and chill for 5 minutes. Dip the sponge finger biscuits into the coffee for 2 seconds and layer them on the bottom of a rectangular dish. Spread a layer of cream mixture evenly over the top. Keep layering biscuits and cream until the cream mixture is finished. Sprinkle with Dutch cocoa or crumbled flake bars and chill for 2 to 3 hours or overnight. For more from our community of home cooks, visit bestrecipes.com.au.